It's also really nice today upon the 17th of July 2023. Here's Mielikinviita, and I'll check the name in Swedish later, with 4 floors here, built by Kone with modernized fixtures in 1993, turning 30 years old this year in 2023, and it's going to be inspected in 2025. And this is the staircase I staircase before here. It's in Pohjois-Tapiola, Norra Lund, Espoo. Espoo has Espoo's region, also in Finland, and the capacity is 4 persons or 320 grams, and the chamber is 67646. Strangely, it's not 325, but
it's just misprint because 320 letters were not allowed in Finland in the 90s.
Yeah, the green stars. This is probably the beginning of 1993.
Yeah.
Because it has the green star.
Yeah.
The main floor.
Mm.
But maybe finished later in 1993.
Yeah.
I love the smell in here.
So.
I like the sounds also. And it deserves 2 words.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva-inspectant, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Strange that they put a different sticker here.
Yeah.
For the year of construction, or when it was finished.
Yeah.
And like the turquoise also here, and it's really fresh.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching, and
That's